Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15BW025NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15BW025NS is feeling dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This sluggish performance often comes from an aging hard drive or an outdated SSD. If left unresolved, it can lead to even longer loading times and may eventually hinder your productivity significantly. Today, we'll show you how to replace that slow SSD with a faster one, getting your laptop back to its optimal speed. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a new SSD, and a plastic spudger. Begin by ensuring that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's also wise to remove the battery if possible to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Start by carefully flipping your laptop over. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any internal components. Once the back cover is off, locate the current SSD. It should be a rectangular component secured by 1 or 2 screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and gently lift the SSD out of its slot. Take your new SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at a slight angle and push it down firmly until it clicks into place. Replace the screws to secure the SSD in position. When reassembling the laptop, ensure that any cables you may have disconnected are properly reattached. Before closing the back cover, double-check that everything looks secure and in place. Now, replace the back cover and screw it back on. Once it's all put together, power on your laptop. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your storage drive for errors, keep your system updated, and consider upgrading to SSD sooner rather than later. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.